In this video, we are going to show you how to create a visual summary in Poppy AI. If you want to create something aside from a wall of text, it's quite simple. All we need to do is set up two things. First of which, we need a group, right? So click on group and then label it however you want, right? So for this, we already have a group that says source material. So we need this to put the material we need to create the visual summary, right? So for this, we want a, beginner's guide to Project Zomboid, the video game, right? And then afterwards, we want to have our Poppy Chat launch and then connect it to the source material group, right? And here you want to create a prompt that's something like this. So analyze the connected sources instead of a long paragraph, which most LLMs give us, right? Turn this information into three distinct visual summaries. First is a timeline breakdown, the chronological steps of our history. Number two is a mind map outline, clustering the main topics into branches. And lastly, this is what we were looking for, a data-heavy infographic outline listing key stats and facts, right? So once you do this, click enter and Poppy's chat will work its magic. As you can see, this is step one, this is step two. It generated the mind map. And then once the mind map is complete, it started creating the infographic outline, which is now this. It's connected to us here. So it's a bit small. So what we want to do is click on this to make it bigger, right? As you can see here, there you go. This is pretty much our infographic. So as you can see here, character creation, spawning in, core survival. So Project Zomboid Build 42 Beginner's Guide. So it's pretty cool to see it created this way as an infographic, right, as a visual summary instead of just like a wall of text that we just need to go through. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy.ai, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below that we have provided. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.